Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the blue brick bloom seed in Heartopia. So in this new event at the Modular Street event at the Heartopia, there is a brand new flower that called brick bloom, and in here you can get it from the starter seed from the NPC plant, and you can get it in the three colors, red, white, and yellow. And from these colors, you can unlock many more colors using crossbreeding, and today I will show you how to get the blue one. And then first, make sure you already have the peach brick bloom or black brick bloom. And if you don't know how to obtain it, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And then next, for the breeding setup, you can plan these combinations, the color combinations like this. Just place them side by side like this, the peach and black like this. Just place them like this. Just place them close to each other like this. You can copy my layout, or if you want to create your own layout, just feel free to create them. But make sure you place them or plant them side by side like this. And then after planting, just water them and wait until they bloom. And don't harvest the flower yet when it's bloom. Just keep watering daily, and eventually you will see a floating seeds appear above the plant. That means the crossbreedings work. And usually these crossbreed seeds will appear in the morning in the game when it's a reset time. After the reset time, and to speed up, you can ask your friends to help water your plants. And from my experience, this really increases the spawn rates of these crossbreeding seeds. And in my case, I got the blue brick bloom seed from the black flower. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.